Hi everybody, this is Mondo from Orgonite El Paso, and I would like to share with you guys something that I made, and yeah, I want to present to you. But first, before I get to this demonstration, if you're ever interested in how what I'm talking about is made, you can look up this guy named Marco Rodin, and it teaches you. It goes over the mathematics. It's called vortex-based mathematics, and um, yeah. So there's a bunch of number patterns and numerology in here, and it took me about. I came across this like 3-4 years ago, and so I wrote it down and just looked at everything, and then I started incorporating it in my art. Just to get an idea, or I don't know, it's fun. It's a really fun subject to look into, and you can include it in your art. But yeah, and then so eventually I wrapped my first Rodin coil, and I just used cheap wire, and didn't really, just wanted to find out how to wind it, and then my friends hooked me up with this magnetic wire, which is the wire I need in order to create a magnetic field. This is another one I'm gonna wrap later. This one is made of Orgonite, and thing about this guy is it's packed with a lot of metals, but in the middle there is hemp, just one layer of hemp that's fusing everything together, because it's just based off of Wilhelm Reich's version of a orgone generator, where you have metal, non-metal, and then a metal. So where the non-metal, which could be cotton, hemp, or wool, it acts as a capacitor or for the orgone energy. So this is more close to a, and so I'm gonna put that on here. So I decided to make this guy. I wanted to combine all the Orgonite that I do, and the work on this Rodin coil. And so on top of here I have a piece of citrine, and here I have the little magnet, and then I got Rodin coil with a layer of Orgonite, which is key shavings, iron filings. There's some quartz, black tourmaline, some chrysocolla. Check that out. So now I want to do a demonstration of creating a magnetic field inside an Orgonite piece. What I got going on down here is an amplifier. Connected to that is a 12-volt battery. And over here on my computer I have a online tone generator. So what I'm going to do is connect, make sure the light is on. So I'm going to run a 2 Hertz frequency through, check this out. So we're going to push play. And you can see the evidence of the magnetic field that's created through this coil with the sphere. Now I'm going to change the hertz to 4. And you can see it's acting a little differently. Oops. So every time you change the hertz, you get a different. Now I'm changing it to 10 hertz. Alright, so let's see what a number like 432 hertz would do. I'm gonna push play now. Now it stopped bouncing around and it's doing something. It's not doing nothing, but it's doing something. Let's change it to 100. These wires are hot, but pretty cool, huh? Let's change it to 150 hertz. I wonder now, because this is running off of a sine wave. Let's change it back down to 2 hertz. And now I'm going to change it from a square wave to from a sine wave to a square wave. This is so cool. Oh. No, it goes. It almost wants to go. Let's see what a sawtooth at 2 hertz would do. And finally, there's a triangle wave. I like that square wave. Let's try that and increase it to 4 hertz. Now it's at 4 hertz. See, so each frequency you run, it's gonna do, it acts differently. Let's try 10 hertz. Well, so this is my presentation of what this idea I had when I started working with Orgonite, and I came across this vortex-based mathematics, and this is 4 years of all this work. It's pretty cool, and I'm still learning all this stuff, so just wanted to show you guys this. Thank you. Bye.